Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor and this is just for fun, but some people were complaining about not getting my video updates, so I attach the address of my Telegram channel. You can join me there and you will get a notification each time I upload a video, and I try to make it known on the Telegram channel as well from now on. This is gold on the weekly chart and as you can see on the weekly chart, what I see right here is actually it seems to me that this is actually a falling wedge, suggesting that sooner or later, let me show it to you, try to show it to you. So from there to there, and let me try to draw this, see if I can draw it. And the falling wedge is actually a bullish sign. Let's see if it's a falling wedge. Starting where? Oops. Let's see if I can start it there. Yeah, it's a falling wedge. That's good news. So it's a falling wedge on the weekly, suggesting that we are going higher to the top of this wedge, which is actually 1907. So I'm bullish on gold, and we had a fall on Friday, but as I look at the weekly candles, it's nothing actually. So we are still in the uptrend, and so actually with this candle, let me see, let's just draw it touching the bodies of the candles and see where we are right now. I've got so many signs here, I should delete them all. Anyway, we are just about to break out, I think, out of this rising wedge. We touched it and we were trying to break out, but we failed. So yeah, once we break out, then we are up to this target, because rising wedges are bullish signs. Yes, 66. Yeah, it's a rising wedge. Good. Let's go to the daily chart on gold. This is the daily chart on gold, and let's see what's happening right there. We have pulled back from this resistance, and we've been playing this since for a few days now, and we are still in this zone, and but we broke down a little bit, but it almost immediately got pushed back above the 50 and 20-day EMA. 20-day EMA crossed the 50-day EMA, so both 50 and 20-day EMA can be support here. We are above that, but also this resistance area is holding as support right now, especially this 1781, 1782-ish area. So looking at this, this seems, if I don't look at the weeks, this seems to be a flag formation for me, still a flag. So anytime we can break up above, and so I expect gold to break above sooner or later. Let's look at the 4-hour chart on gold and see what's happening there. On the 4-hour chart, yeah, we see this M pattern, which is not nice, and we broke down. This is the neckline of the M pattern, and we can make a measured move to the downside. This is on the 4-hour chart, it's actually bearish. So from let's count the bodies of the candles, and right as so we may fall further down to 1764, 1760-ish levels. This is support here, so don't be surprised if we fall there. If we do that, I expect we will bounce back up here. Hopefully this area won't act as resistance, because then we could chop around here for a while before breaking up again. So, but we see some supports here, so let's see what happens on Monday. That's gold, and let's look at silver. Silver, we tried to fall below this area of support on the 4-hour chart, but we came back, and this could still be a flag formation, which is a bullish sign. Let's look at the daily chart on silver. So that's actually the daily chart on silver, and yeah, this is still a bullish flag for me. We can break up to the upside, break to the upside anytime, and come to my next level of resistance, which is at around, and the bull the target price out of this pullback is also there, 15.54, but I expect silver to go to 15.57, 25.57, 25.8-ish levels. So this area, once we break out of this pattern, when is it valid? Well, there's a falling trend line. First sign when we break above this falling trend line here. The second sign when this flag pattern is finished, when we break above 24.8. So that's actually the daily chart on silver. Let's look at the weekly chart on silver and see if there's anything here. Yeah, on the weekly chart we are in this zone of resistance. Some people expect silver to form a similar inverse shoulder here on the right side. We will see if it happens, but if it's a bull flag, then it won't happen. We will break to the upside sooner or later. But even if it happens, this will be a very bullish sign, an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So we got rejected by on the weekly by the 50 EMA, as you can see, and we are under the 50 EMA and under 20 EMA. So 50 EMA seems to be strong resistance on the weekly chart. We've got wicks above that, but the bodies of the candles are still below that. So that's much about gold and silver. See you next time.